Hi, it's your lollipop girl. I ended up moving to a different country, so here I am. Swirly Pop's Little Temptations. Cotton candy, strawberry, banana, pink lemonade, watermelon, and orange creamsicle. Which one should I eat? Fun and Fab, flavored handmade suckers. Watermelon is green and red. I think I'm gonna use cotton candy today. No, strawberry banana. Strawberry banana it shall be. They're from Poland. I told you I moved to Poland. They don't look like this in Poland, do they? Maybe I moved to where the Amish are. It's the sound of yumminess. The sounds of yumminess. Not just one sound of yumminess. Or the. Is it sharp, the picture? I had to milk the cows earlier. Milk with fresh cream. Now it's time for my rest. For my lollipop. Oh, there it came loose. Not too much for children. Not those lollies. Here for adults. Adults? No, adults. Adults. Grown-ups. Like me. And you. Oh, what a beautiful, sweet lollipop day it is today. I need to go back to work. I need to bake my bread. Still feed the chickens. Got to clean up out there in the stall. Im Stall. Thank you for watching, my sweet, sweet hearts. I love you. Until next time.